Ezi wana magachana ona pamjikaya. Beriani nem. Nda no garela kema. Nda chukweke wanya mamejeru wa beberima. Beriani chukweke wanya.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So it's Monday already. Hey Chinekenna, this weekend they run fast. This weekend they run fast. Anyway, whichever one. So I'm done preparing for work right now and I'm about going to work. I'm already going to work, but I made a quick stop because I haven't been in the office for such a long time. Not such a long time, just some days. So I made a quick stop here to get some things for my office people because we can't just travel. If to say na road trip I go, maybe I go buy something like cashew nut and the rest of them. But mako mube lukamba. So I came here to come get something for them so that you don't just come to the office empty-handed. I don't know, this is my mentality. Thank you for the love and massive support on my videos. Like, I see the massive love and support and I'm asking myself, now so una love me. I don't say una love me, Abuna no love me. Anyway, thank you guys so much for everyone that checked up on me. I really appreciate, I really appreciate you guys. All you, I know I started making this video, I think we are like 43 or something. But all you 44,000 of you, or all you 50,000 of you, yes, all you 50,000 subscribers. Thank you guys so much for your massive love and support. And yeah.
2,000 years later.
Hey people, Mirinezo, it is raining. And what does it say when it's raining? It's a weather for two, and it's time for yoga. Now I don't see period, you know. I'm allowed to go and drink yogurt or what? We go. That work you people have sent me, I will go. Yogurt, they have sent me to come and meet you. Don't run away. They say we need to prepare for baby number for one can and one baby girl. Don't run away, my people. It's raining very heavily. Very heavily. And I just came back. But I don't know how to come down from this car to go and open the gates and enter inside the house. Hey, it get one kind imagination where they come my head like this, with this rain, with this imagination, go. It's just giving me Netflix and chill vibes. But you know what they say about Netflix and chill? People who don't do Netflix and chill, they got pregnant. They got hadime, totally. But we need to come down from this car. Hold up, people, hold up. I'm wearing jackets, so I need to cover my hair. If not, this hair go scratch me. We need to disguise. Remove your watch. Remove your jacket. I can do better. Light on your head. Don't worry, I shave my armpits. No hair, AGIDI. So don't come and say na neze na AGIDI kwe anabo. Yeah, woo. Is it AGIDI? Oh, AGIDI. Shoe has been removed. Let's go. Hey, I'm feeling cold. Oh, you know, Tuba. catching me. Let me off AC. Obara Jesus. Obara Jesus. Oh, you not too. Is it not better I go this side? How will I come? Hey, Jesus. Hey, my clothes are outside. Blood of Jesus. Hey.
I say and I continue to pray. Let all my enemies live long to see what I'm going to be in the future.
Hey fam, good evening. Welcome back. So I'm going home right now. My car is at the mechanic. They couldn't finish it before I finished from work, so I'm taking Uber. The price for Uber to my house is like 3,000 something. Like saying that Lagos we dey. But I think it's even more than Lagos, because some places, if you want to go to Lagos, they will be calling like 8,000, 10,000 naira for you. But still yet, I haven't paid up to that amount since I started taking Uber. Anyway, let's go home. I'm rushing home because I'm supposed to upload a video today, and I need to, my mobile data is finished, so I need to go home to upload that particular video. I just finished editing it, so that's the update I want to give you guys. Yeah, let's go home.
We have that responsibility. Let the poor breathe. Don't suffer failure. Let the poor.
There's nobody that will not notice you like that. In fact, if you pass through the mortuary, all the corpses will be getting up and noticing you. So how much is somebody who is living? Oh, water. Turn. Let me see you. Oh, go, I'm behind you.
Next morning.
Hey, it has been raining since morning. I was even having double mind on how to come and carry the children, but the rain don't stop small. So I come for school run. Don't worry about the scarf. I didn't want water to touch my hair. And yeah, it's fair. Good evening. Did I come late? Oh, easy. Your kids, are they all in the same school? Because mine are actually in the same school, but different classes anyway. Eto, go for Chibundo. Let me go for LOTANNA. Oh, or do we have to sign? So they're actually in the same school, but different location. You have to walk around. So I have they will not be there. I have picked Eto. Now I want to pick Chibundo and LOTANNA. LOTANNA will Oga pata. Say good afternoon, mommy. You didn't say bye, ma'am. LOTANNA, say bye, ma'am. Say bye, ma'am. Hey, I should take. Okay. Echo, come down now, please. Nobody is swinging there. Let's go. It's wet. What is that? LOTANNA. Shh! Stop screaming. Say good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Tom, why are you hiding? Are you sad?
Yes, he's sad.
Why is he sad?
Because we did not go and swim.
But the weather is cold now.
It's not because we mommy don't listen to you. It's because we didn't go and swim. It's not true. So why are you sad? Just leave me alone.
Eto, why are you sad?
It's because you will not allow us to go to a water park. You said only when we have time.
When we have time, we'll go.
What about on Sunday?
Oh.
Oh, mommy, there's no school next week.
Okay. We'll create our time and go.
Next morning.
Welcome. Ebongi. Yes. All this annoying fly that used to enter car. It's another market series. I'm going to the market right now. Today is Saturday, so it's gonna be a weekend vlog. I don't really have a lot, okay, but I'm trying as much as possible not to spend more than an hour in the market. The time now is after 12, so I want to come back latest 30 minutes or highest 1 hour, and not more than 1 hour, so I can come back and edit a video. I have a very important video to edit today, so yeah, let's go. Okay. How much your onions? Basket. 2,000. Tata, she want basket. How much? 6,000. You dey play be dey joke. It don't finish. Take oh, that one at 10,000 there. So call POS. Oh, see 80 skin. I don't want that got it. 80 skin. Okay, I know her. Yes, yes.
Okay. I am not ashamed is the word of boldness and courage. There are people that they are sure of themselves. When they remember the past, how sure of themselves. Full of truths. What you do.
Eh? Okay.
I am not ashamed. I am not ashamed to.
Me na customer. Take. You know, give me 235. I see him. Hi guys, I'm back. Here is here. Here is here. Here is there. Here is there. Here is there. Here is there. Time is after 2. Voila. Carry things. Nah.
Mommy, why are you buying all these drinks?
If you're complaining I bought the whole drink, you will not drink it. Oh.
I'll drink it.
Why will you drink it if you are complaining I bought it?
Mommy,
Eh?
I just asked you.
Eto, keep the drink. Let Uncle Ezekiel help. Carry egg. Hold that egg well. Just carry it and go and keep it. Hey, I'm very tired. I'm feeling sleepy, and I want to edit video. Hey, Jesus! Now in the markets, how are people surviving? There is nothing you will hear like once you ask how much is this one, that is 1,000 something up. You will hardly see something in the market. They will tell you like 300, 400, even red pepper. Red pepper, 200. If you see something that the high and they will just carry it in their hand like this and pour for you. Things are hard. Like seriously, things are hard and things are expensive. Chibundo, go and carry things. Where is my baby? Oh, thank you, Jesus. LOTANNA is sleeping. You know this is not time for play. Carry things, oh. Very tired. Kai. So, I am back. We got drinks. This.
2,000 years later.
So, welcome back. This evening, we are going for a ladies' night out, okay? I have my slippers, my black slippers. I have my bag. So, Evelyn Ambrose gave me this bag, okay? I have this white gown. And my hair is all packed up with my earring, and that is all. Cake. Okay, thank you. The place looks beautiful. I haven't been here before. But why is it brighter in the video? All right, let's go.
I've been alone with you inside my mind. And my dreams, I know those happen suddenly. Someone else. Yes, I have to find. It is your lately that I love you. You got fire, we call my baby. I got it together, simple and fun.
one more fish. So we're done and toasted. The time is to 12. At least we had fun. That's it. So Blake's kept us busy. So hey, let's drive home.
Next morning.
Hi guys, good morning. Yes, my red lipstick is still in my mouth because I came back yesterday. We came back around after 12. Yeah, we came back around after 12, and when I came back, my husband was still watching movie. I joined him, we watched movie, and after that I slept off. Like, I'm literally, because before making a mistake in English, I'm literally just waking up, and I thank God for life. Happy Sunday to you guys. Yesterday was mad fun. Like, do you know what is called ladies night out? Like, no men in our midst. It was just ladies. We were dancing, we were shouting, we were hyping, and people would turn and look. Why are you people so excited like this? I don't understand. Even MC was even praising us, saying that the ladies in this table, they hype, as in we had mad fun. Sometimes go out with your fellow women. Not every time you are in the mingle of umuwoke, you are in the mingle of your yogurt, you are in the mingle of your men. I'm not saying that you shouldn't have a me time with your husband, but sometimes hang out with ladies, talk, have fun. That is positivity we should be preaching here, Abi. So this morning is about to go down. We want to cook. We want to cook. Today, that is Sunday, we are cooking rice and beans. I don't know. Do you usually make rice and beans, like jollof rice and beans? Do you usually make that? Let me know in the comment section. And I hope you go church. See me, I no go church. I did ask person whether you go church. Anyway, give this video a huge and massive thumbs up, and let's get right into it. Right now, I feel so bloated, so bloated. So I want to make green tea. Yeah. So these are the ingredients of the things we're making. We have our fried turkey here. This is our beans. This is our parboiled rice, onions, meat broth, meat stock, and then this is our blended. Hey, stop screaming! I'll say so. We have our blended tomato, blended tatashi, and then we also have our Sonia tin tomato here. The spices I'll be using, and yeah, that is it. Let's cook.
I'll be on the phone, calling you tonight. I won't make it sure, make me notified. I don't want to sleep alone, but I'll hold you tight. I close my eyes, but I'll be alright. Forever. Woman, I go. Woman, get go. Baby, here, woman, she come.
I'd seen online and then I leave. So my next task was to make some new friends. I put up a post on my Instagram saying I was around. I would love to meet up with some new.
Then go feel it. Then go run it down. Then go hold it. Then go. Then go feel it. Then go run it down. Then go hold it. Then go. Then go feel it. Then go run it down. Then go hold it. Then go. Then go feel it. Then go run it down. Then go hold it. Then go.
You silly are the one and I think of. You are my African queen, and I know that this means that you the only one and that will save. I'll give you my heart, my love, my body and my money.
So, welcome back. While our rice is cooking, it's cleaning time for our fridge. So, this is our fridge, and it's so dirty. Right now, I want to clean it up so you can see how this place is looking. Okay, this place, yeah, plenty nylon and the rest of them. Of course, that is what you will see in any African woman fridge or Nigerian woman fridge. So yeah, this is how this place is looking. Our water plantain, the vegetable section, and then this place. Okay, you can see the beds here, and yeah, plenty things here. So I want to be cleaning this particular fridge so that it can be clean. Okay, so up here is the freezer for the soup, and yeah, so let's clean. Please remember, anytime you want to clean your fridge, I usually like switching it off so that nothing gets to shock you. So I'll be switching it off, and when I'm done cleaning, I will show you guys. Okay, we'll be right back.
Bring it over to my place.
No.
Why are you single?
Yes, I am single because of lack of capital to start a relationship, high cost of living, unhealthy competition from my fellow boy childs, poor infrastructure, pests and diseases, eating of fare by the other gender, attack from the neighboring boy childs, lack of beards, shortage of lines.
So this is the empty fridge. Hey, even this place needs to be clean. So this is the empty fridge. Okay, here. So what I want to do now is to bring out all these things, because we are going to wash it. Okay, bring everything out. So can you see that? I'll also be bringing out these ones here, and then I'll switch off the fridge, I'll clean it, and after everything is done, I will show you guys. Okay, let's do this. Welcome back, guys. So I am done cleaning. Okay, so I want to start setting up the layers. What do they call that thing? Shebi's layers. I want to start setting up the layers into the fridge bag so that I can pack in all these things inside. Yeah, that is what I wanted to show you guys. Guys. Oh, chim. So everywhere is clean, as you can see. Shebi? Is sparkling. And also, what can you put in your fridge so that your fridge doesn't have like all this machu smell? How do I explain this? And like, it won't be in hubo. Hey, Chineke na Igbo will not allow me. What do you put to your fridge so that your fridge will be smelling nice when you open it? I want to be not that my fridge is smelling, no, but I just want to add more scent when you open up your fridge. So let's move over to the next one. So this is looking like a brand new fridge. This is it. Everything it's in, not really, it's remaining the vegetable distance. So let's pack in our drinks.
So guys, I'm recording video. Don't tell my mommy I'm recording video.
So before you put your drinks in the fridge, do you usually wash them? So I noticed that there was a day I bought drink from a store, and when I opened it, I cleaned it anyway, but when I opened it, I was trying to drink it. The topmost here was smelling. You know how cockroach shit used to smell? That was how the topmost place was smelling. So I've seen people washing their drinks right now before putting it in the fridge, and it's a very good hygiene to keep, Abby. So this is me washing my own organ. You are hungry? I'll put food for you now. Just wash this topmost parts. Put your hands inside this place. and wash it very well. So I've done it for the other ones. I just wanted to show you. Yeah, let's do that. So some clean with wipes, while some clean with a cloth. You can as well wash them and allow it to strain out the water before you can put it in the fridge. Yeah. So voila, we are done and dusted. Okay, make sure no, my friend. So here is clean. Yes, LOTANNA, I'm making video. Oh shh. So here is clean, here is clean, here is clean, well arranged, here too. And yeah, this is this place. Okay, this is how it's looking. So all done and dusted. LOTANNA, say hi.
Hi.
Say good afternoon, everybody. Say good afternoon, everybody. Say good afternoon. So guys, welcome back. Here is our rice, beans, plantain, 2 turkey and spoon. This one is for my yogurt. Me, I've eaten. I ate immediately. Yeah, so we've dished it out and we still have more here. Like in this house, you go cook rice, you won't know when the rice will finish. I'm telling you. So here is more meat and yeah, that is it.
Why are you single? Yes, I am single because of lack of capital to start a relationship, high cost of living, unhealthy competition from my fellow boy childs, poor infrastructure, pests and diseases, eating of fare by the other gender, attack from the neighboring boy childs, lack of beards, shortage of lines, lessons from the other relationships, sponsors and sugar daddies, high cost of maintenance, and unavailability to draw lines. Yes.